What are the types of sentences? To be very precise, it has to be active and passive. So Ram is reading a book. So Ram is directly doing the work on the object. Ram is subject, is reading is verb, and on a book is an object. But when we just change it, subject is now a book, the previous object has become a subject, and now object. Now this object has become a subject. This same object has become a subject here. So a book is being read by Ram. Now the action is being done not on the object, but the object is getting an action now. Ram is reading a book, so subject is doing action on object. Here in the second one, the object is getting the action from the subject. A book is being read by Ram. Okay, so we have active and passive sentences. So see here, two sentences we have. Radha is reading a book. Radha is reading a book. And the next one is, the first will say clearly Radha is a subject, book is object, and reading is verb. When you come here, a book is being read by Radha. So clearly, in this case, the book is subject, and being read is verb, and Radha is an object. See, but the thing is, in the first sentence, subject is working on object. Subject is reading a book. But in the second case, the book is being read by Radha. So the subject is getting an action from the object. The subject is getting an object, a work by the object. Now this becomes a passive sentence. The first one is active. Let me tell you again. Okay. The action in both the sentences is simply reading a book. But when the subject does work on the object, it is an active sentence. Subject is Radha, a book is object. But here the book is subject, Radha is the object. So now the book is being read by Radha. So now the subject is getting action by the Radha. So this is a passive sentence. Okay. That is, it receives an action. Now Ram is reading a book. That is the active sentence. A book is being read by the Ram. So Ram is doing an action, active. The book is receiving an action. That is a passive sentence. So sentences where the subject does an action, this is called an active voice. The sentences in which the subject receives an action, these are called passive voice. Passive voice. Okay. So subject, first one is subject and object. Second one is object and subject. So subject does action on object. That is the active voice or active sentence. Object receives action from the subject. This is called the passive sentence or passive voice. Passive sentence or passive voice. Okay. Now let us take an example, few more examples here to understand it better. Now we'll have same sentences. Active voice. Ali is subject, tire is object. So Ali is doing work on tire, or the subject does an action. Ali is subject. Active voice. I will clean the house every Saturday. I is subject, house is object. So house is getting action from subject. Ravi painted the entire house. So subject is doing action on object. Okay. Now let us see passive voice. Same thing. The flat tire was changed by Ali. Now the subject is getting action from the object. Here also, Ravi painted the entire house. The entire house was painted by Ravi. So the entire house or a house is a subject which is getting an action from object which is Ravi here. Okay. So subject does an action on object, that is an active voice. Subject receives an action from the object is a passive voice.